AI in blockchain for traceability. Beginner level. Introduction. AI in blockchain for traceability refers to combining artificial intelligence and blockchain to track and verify the journey of products or data across a system. Traceability is important in industries like food supply chains, pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, logistics, retail. It helps answer questions like, where did this product come from? How was it handled? Is it authentic? Blockchain provides secure and transparent records, while AI adds intelligence, pattern detection, automation, prediction. What is traceability? Traceability means tracking the history and movement of a product or data. In simple words, traceability equals knowing where something came from and where it went. What is AI in blockchain for traceability? It is the use of AI with blockchain to track, verify, and analyze data across systems. In simple words, AI plus blockchain traceability equals smart and secure tracking system. A beginner-level system includes data recording, tracking movement, verification, analysis, automation. Why AI plus blockchain for traceability is important. Traditional tracking systems are easy to manipulate, not transparent, difficult to verify. This combination helps by ensuring data integrity, improving transparency, detecting fraud, automating tracking, enhancing trust. Key features of AI blockchain traceability feature purpose: immutable records, secure data storage, real-time tracking, monitor product movement, fraud detection, identify fake products, data analysis, analyze supply chain data, automation, improve efficiency. Example traceability data. Trace data equals product ID P1001, origin, farm A, location, warehouse B, status, in transit. Simple tracking example, status, in transit. If status equals in transit, print, product is moving through supply chain. How AI plus blockchain traceability works. Step 1. Record data on blockchain. Each step is recorded securely. Example: transaction equals product shipped. Print recorded on blockchain. Transaction. Step 2. Track movement. The system tracks product location. Example: location equals warehouse. Print current location. Location. Step 3. Verify authenticity. AI checks if data is valid. Example: authentic equals true. If authentic, print product verified. Step 4. Analyze patterns. AI analyzes supply chain data. Example: delay equals true. If delay, print delay detected. Step 5. Automate actions. System can trigger actions automatically. Example: if delay, print notify stakeholders. AI in fraud detection. Product authentic equals false. If not product authentic, print fake product detected. AI in supply chain tracking. Location equals factory. Print product at location. AI in quality monitoring. Quality equals poor. If quality equals poor, print reject product. AI in risk detection. Risk equals high. If risk equals high, print supply chain risk detected. AI in automation. Auto update equals true. If auto update, print blockchain updated automatically. Full menu-based AI blockchain traceability system. Python. Def record data. Data equals input, enter transaction data. Print recorded on blockchain. Def track product. Location equals input. Enter current location. Print product is at location. Def verify product. Status equals input. Is product authentic? Yes, no. If status equals yes, print product verified. Else, print fake product detected. Def detect risk. Delay is input. Is there a delay? Yes, no. If delay equals yes, print risk detected. Else, print no risk. While true, print N1, record data. Print 2, track product. Print 3, verify product. print. 4. Detect risk. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, record data. Elif choice equals 2, track product. Elif choice equals 3, verify product. Elif choice equals 4, detect risk. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else, print invalid option. Concepts learned from AI blockchain traceability, data integrity, transparency, fraud detection, automation, supply chain tracking, real-life analogy. AI plus blockchain traceability is like a smart tracking system where every step is recorded permanently. Products can be tracked anytime. Fake items are detected. Problems are identified early. Everything is transparent. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding real blockchain integration, Ethereum Hyperledger, IoT sensors for real-time tracking, machine learning fraud detection, QR code tracking system, dashboard visualization, smart contracts, common mistakes beginners make. Confusing blockchain with databases, ignoring data accuracy, not understanding immutability, oversimplifying traceability, ignoring scalability, where AI blockchain traceability is used. Used in food supply chains, pharmaceutical tracking, luxury goods authentication, logistics systems, manufacturing. Advanced systems include farm-to-table tracking, drug authenticity verification, global supply chain transparency, anti-counterfeiting systems. Simple definition: AI in blockchain for traceability. The use of artificial intelligence and blockchain to securely track and verify products or data. Final summary: AI plus blockchain traceability is a powerful, modern solution. It helps beginners learn secure data systems, tracking and verification, automation, fraud detection. It plays a key role in building trust and transparency in modern supply chains.